Hey, I'm Paul Rabelais. I want to tell you about a couple that we met with recently. Just a few days ago, I met with a really nice family, and the mother had obtained a copy of my book, and she read it, and so she gave it to her three children to read. They all read it, and then she called me up and asked me if I could come to their house because her husband just didn't get out much, but they had some really important things that they wanted to address. So I went over to their house one day, and really nice family. Their biggest concern was they owned property in Louisiana, and they also owned property in California. And in fact, their CPA had told them, don't sell the California property because it has appreciated so much. There'll be too much capital gains tax to pay if they sell that property, while they're alive. So they're renting it and they're holding on to it until, one of them dies. It gets that step up in basis. It will save them hundreds of thousands of estate tax dollars. They also wanted to make sure that they avoided the multiple probates in each of those states. So what we did for them, or we're setting up an estate legal program so that they stay in control of everything, that step up in basis is preserved, avoiding all the future capital gains taxes after they both pass away. They named one of their children to be the trustee of their trust so he can sell the properties that need to be sold, make things really simple for the children. And like the daughter said, she said, my friend told me that there'd be a $30,000 probate expense in California based on the value of my parents' property, and so she was really happy that all of that was being avoided. So if you have a circumstance like that, maybe property in different states where you're trying to make things easy for your family, and you'd like to arrange it and have a program in place that really simplifies everything, avoids the taxes, you may want to give us a call. Our toll-free number, 866-491-3884. We can start that conversation and work towards having a program in place that makes things really simple. I'm Paul Rabelais. Have a great day.